Good morning. The bulls gave up their fight post-noon after showing remarkable resilience in the wake of the RBI's rate hike. The fall came on lower volume, which usually is the case on a Monday. As for today, we expect a slightly higher start and yet another choppy session. With the stock markets shut on Wednesday and FNO expiry on Thursday, we might see heightened volatility today. On the whole, the Nifty will remain range-bound between the range of 5,100 to 5,300. Given that we have results soon, one should be cautious and wait for the right trend to emerge. US stocks resumed their advance following Friday's fall. European benchmarks too recovered some of the lost ground despite the scare of Greece not securing funding this week from the European Union. European shares trimmed losses to end fractionally lower, losing ground for the third straight session as investors fretted about India's rate hike and the lingering uncertainty about Greece's fiscal issues. One needs to keep a watch on Europe in the next few days amid lack of cohesive European support for Greece. FIIs were net buyers in the cash segment on Monday at Rs 3.03 billion on a provisional basis. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 331.4 million according to figures published on the NSE website. In the FNO segment, the foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 3.51 billion. On Friday, FIIs were net buyers of Rs 3.94 billion in the cash segment as per the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net sellers of Rs 1.01 billion on the same day. Asian markets are mixed. The Nikkei in Japan is down marginally while the Hang Seng and others are up. Moving on to the recommendations, on the derivatives end, we have long Ariba TND India Limited April future at Rs 279 for a target price of Rs 295 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 272 for a lot size of 750. Short Aban Offshore Limited April future at Rs 1186 for a target price of Rs 1130 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 1200 for a lot size of 400. On the technical side, we have Voltas. We recommend traders to buy the stock at current levels of approximately Rs 177 up to the levels of Rs 175 for an initial target of Rs 187. It is advisable to maintain a stop loss at Rs 171. And Dr. Reddy's Lab, traders can buy the stock in the range of Rs 1260 to 1275 for a target price of Rs 1315 and it is advisable to maintain a stop loss at Rs 1250. Thank you and have a great day ahead.